Hey y'all, welcome to Design and Dysfunction, Flooded House Tour Edition. Welcome to our house tour. My makeup is not even done yet, but people are coming to remove part of the ceiling and part of the floors upstairs because we had a leak. So I had a video planned that was a late summer house tour, and then life blew up. So I thought I would just go ahead and still release the video because now it's, you know, what the house looks like before all of this ruckus. I don't know if this room, which is where all the water damage is, this is my main living area, I don't know if this room is going to look exactly the same or if it's going to look different, but this is my main living room. This is the ceilings. And sorry it's so echoey, but my furniture is gone except for that. That got yucky water on it, and so did this. So that's going to be professionally cleaned. But anyways, oh, it looks like the ceiling was leaking here a little bit. It's weird. It looks almost like bird poo, but it's not. I hope not. Anyways, hopefully the fish tank can stay because this thing is a beast. Sorry, so scatterbrained, but this was totally unexpected. Of course, we're supposed to have company staying today, or at least coming today, and also company coming on Wednesday, and I have no idea how that's going to happen. So I hope you enjoy the house tour that is coming up. Everything was the way it was a few days ago, and we'll take this difficult season and make it something better. So yeah, come along for the ride. This channel is called Design and Dysfunction, so here's some dysfunction, and I will hopefully design my way through it. Also, I still do plan on doing some fall decorating in spite of everything, just for my own sanity. Some rooms are untouched as of right now. I don't know. They might actually have to scrape these ceilings too because they're connected and there's some damage. I don't know if you can see that on camera. But anyways, we'll see. At least the dining room I think is gonna be okay. The bonus room upstairs, which I haven't even touched yet. And then the rooms around the side of the house, like my office is there, my bedroom is there. Those are fine, they just have a lot more decor in them. So it's gonna be a little bit more maximalist than I'm okay with, but that's okay. It's just temporary. And yeah, we'll see what happens. So enjoy the video. Okay, so starting in the entryway, we have the front stairs. That rug on the floor is called the Tulsa, and I got it from Amazon.com. The umbrella stand and that shelf are both from At Home. I get asked about houseplants all the time, and so I'll share my secret. It's not that big a deal, but some are fake and some are alive, and I mix them together. My kids painted these pots last year. The sign, "As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord," is from my mother-in-law. And that red scarf is actually from a friend who got it from Ethiopia. Right off the entryway is the study. Originally, this room was for homeschooling, but now that my kids are in public school, we actually just use it as a homework station. These brass lamps are from the 70s. They were my father's first lamps. I got them re-shaded with just simple shades from Lowe's. The dandelion light is from Amazon as well. The 3 black desks are from IKEA, but one of them I actually bought on Facebook Marketplace a few years after the others. The globe was an old DIY from when I lived in Ohio. I actually stained the base of it with coffee. I do not remember for the life of me where I got this awesome mirror between the windows. I think it might have been Big Lots. This ocean painting on the bottom was actually the first painting I ever painted. I began painting my senior year of high school. Somehow this painting won state, so that's when I decided maybe I should pursue a career in some form of art or design. Not much has come of that yet, but we will see what happens in the future. In this shelf, we are storing my dad's encyclopedias, and on this other shelf, we're storing some of the homeschool books that we used. This colorful urn was gifted to me by a friend. I just found a little tray and placed it on top, and it works as a tide table. Why, yes, that is a TV tray in between the two recliners. We do not have a full plan for this room yet. Eventually I plan on taking up the blue carpet and just a complete overhaul. But for right now, while the kids are home, this is perfect. Here we are in the living room. This is the room that I had to empty out because it is directly up under the Jack and Jill bath that flooded upstairs. So of course the water ran down into the living room. I'll be honest, it kind of hurts to look at the room like this right now, all put together, because it might not look like that again. So I'm really glad I have the footage. Most of the live plants in this house live on this hearth. These plants are from my mom, mother-in-law, and grandmother. The plant in front of the door is hanging by a thread, but I'm trying to bring it back. These gold candlesticks were one of the first things I bought for my new house after I got married. The mirror came from an old vanity that I bought on Marketplace as well. That was, I think, made in the 1920s. This cabinet is one of my most favorite pieces in this entire house. It is also my favorite Marketplace find. I got it about 2 years ago, and honestly, when I saw it on the listing, I thought it was a hoax. It is black lacquered with actual brass fittings on it. It has beautiful teal blue velvet that is still in great condition. I'm using it as a focal piece in my living room to house things like my picture books and just some favorite tchotchkes. This blue lamp used to be brown, but I decided to faux paint it. The bird is from Kirkland's. This little purple ball of something, I don't know, it looks like a fruit of some sort. That's from Hobby Lobby. The candle is from Home Goods. I am not a minimalist. I do like stuff, but one of the tricks I use is to put most of it behind glass. That way it stays much cleaner for much longer. This gold planter is also from Hobby Lobby, and of course I buy everything from there, 50% off. If you think about it, Hobby Lobby's every other week sale is really beneficial because it causes you to kind of take a step back and not make too many impulse purchases. I had gotten this piano for my husband and for my children. I was hoping that they would enjoy piano lessons, but actually I'm the only one that's taking lessons right now, so we'll see how that turns out. I do have a lot of blue in my living room, so this silver tray on the ottoman gives me a chance to kind of break up the monotony and also to decorate seasonally. Right now, a simple fern and some summer gardening books did the trick. Here's another example of me using fake greenery, and here is more fake. In my defense, however, science has proven that looking at fake foliage has the same effect on our brains as live. It just doesn't improve the air quality. Last up is my fish tank, which is full of, you guessed it, fake coral and fake greenery. There are actually 3 fish in here. They are African cichlids and they're a little skittish. This view of our living room will probably change the most. We are hoping to one day renovate our kitchen, and we would like to extend it, which means we need to put a passageway into the dining room where this bookcase is. Well, lovelies, I believe I will wrap this video up here with the flooding in my house and the hospital visits that I've been making very regularly. I am exhausted. The next video will show the kitchen, dining room, bedroom, and office. And here is a final shot of my living room. All of the art behind the couch is sentimental and will have a place in the new design. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. It was kind of difficult to edit for me because it's not going to be like that for a long time. But that's okay. Well, the remediation people will be here any minute, so I better get going. See y'all in the next video. Ciao.